Open up the Zekrom box first. 10. Ooh. Let's see dang it, it's gonna bend. Oh, no, it bend. Oh yeah, it did. Whatever. Looks pretty cool. There's the back. Oh. It was all waxy. See the shininess. It's crazy. Alright. Put the code here. First pack. Next Destinies. It's a Zekrom pack, right? Ooh. Do the card trick. 2, 3, 1, 2. Cubchoo. Shanks. Cricketot. Riolu. Staryu. Oh, that's cool. Yeah. Double colorless. Cricketune. Minchino. Bronzor reverse. Looks awesome. Steel type looks cool. And that Pokemon. It's pretty meh. Here's a Regigigas. Bronzor again. Hell out of here. Bronzor, Growlithe, Ralts, Pansear, Vanillite, Cricketune, Nuzleaf. Thought it would be Leaf Pokemon. Heavy Ball.
It's part dark.
Raichu. That looks cool. I had the normal one of this. Then it's better if it's shiny. Then a lame Among Us. These are really crappy pulls. Oh, it comes with 4? That was 3. Alright. Here's a...
Victini.
Yeah. Pack. Solosis, Carablast, that's a shitty Pokemon. Archon, that's cool. Siniseer. Oh, that's cool.
Larvesta.
Oh, cool. I wish it was hollow though. Whatever. Boom. Last one for this tin. I don't know what Pokemon that is. Looks like a goat. Goatfish. Another Cubchoo. It's a dirty one. You see it?
No.
On the corner? Whatever. Oh, I felt might be a good one. Cubchoo, Pansear, Basculin, Rufflet, Ducklet. They're like running out of names. Boldor, Lilligant, Gothorita. This lesbian Pokemon. Oh! Tornadus. It's like my third one, but different series, I guess. Tornadus full art. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, is it shiny?
Yeah.
Is it? No, like shiny. Like, is it a shiny Pokemon?
I don't know.
What color's Tornadus? Whatever. Wait, hold up. Gotta check. Oh, I don't even have my other cards. Whatever. I think it is a shiny Tornadus. Full art. That's pretty cool. Cause it does. I don't think it should be green. If it's a. I don't know. Looks awesome though. See it in the light. Alright, let's open up the Reshiram one. I just got a Reshiram EX full art from a pack. Alright, here's the promo. I don't want to take it out of the thing. I don't know if it's focused. Alright. Looks pretty G. Let's try doing this. Alright, cool. Shiny. First pack, Mewtwo. So I could actually rip this open without worrying. Since I have another one I could save. It's a fungus. Oh, dang it. Whatever. Fungus humongous. Alright. Fungus. The camera. Alright. Panelay. Shanks. Luna. Panseer. Inchino. Basculin. Luxio. Oh, another one of these. And Substrika. Next up. Next Destinies. Is there another one? So it is 4 packs. Thought it was 3. Get out of there. Growlithe. Ralts. Panseer. Oh, it's a trainer. The rare one. Vanillite. Mana. Vanillish. Level Ball. Starmie. That's cool. Weevil. That's reverse? Or did I mess up the thing? Oh, there's... Wait. Is there reverse? It is? Can't really tell. Whatever. And a Pinsir. That's pretty cool. Victini. Look if it's centered. Dang it. Keep destroying them. No. Just check if it's like centered. Tell me where to move. Solosis, Larvista, Panseer, a lot of fires, Litwick, Timber. Oh, that's a different one. Oh, I don't even know what Pokemon this is. It's awesome. And no Surf. Eviolite. Reverse is a N and a Gigalith. Alright, last one. What Pokemon is this? Oh. That sucked. I'm not opening these packs very well. Here we go. Last pack. Hopefully we pull something. Pansage. Clink again. Cubchoo, Masculine, Panseer, Sigilyph, Pokemon Catcher. Everyone wants this for some reason. I don't know. Recycle, Gigalith, Reverse. Oh! Thunderous! Hollow. Yay, something. Or is it hollow? Yep, hollow. Boom, 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 boom. That's it. Last 10. Make this faster. Crap. Dang it. Alright. The Kyurem. Yeah, it's whatever. Code. Whatever. Meat pack. Let's tear through it. Alright. So Blitzel, Dove, Fungus, Meanful, Sneasel, Minchino, Unpent, Lapras, Luxio the Reverse, and I don't know what that is. Darmanitan. Second pack. Forgot what this one is. Reshiram. Dang it, it's hard to open. Alright, code. Boom, boom, boom. 2 to the back. Here's a mana. Mana, Litwick, Elgym, Panpour, C-Dot, Luxio, Pokemon Center, Scraggy. Oh, that looks cool. And a hollow Chinchino. Very, very worthless. This looks cool though. Pretty awesome. 2 rares in that one. What is that? So many Pokemons. I don't know. Some sort of blue Charizard. Shelmet. See if I could do the card trick from here. Kinda saw it already. Swaddle. Vanillite. Panseer. Elgym again. Crustle. Rocky Helmet. Bisharp. Mega Man again. Slowsis. Meowth. That's good. Meowth Hollow. Oh, full holo. I mean, full art. Wait, is this special? It has a coin right there. I don't know. It has that same texture the Tornadus had. Pretty cool. Hope I get lucky. Oops. Slowsis. Some good art in that one. Oh, last one. Crack. Thought there was more. Here's Woobat. Woo! Oh shoot, almost showed the code. Alright, Woobat. Patrat. Swaddle. Joltik. Pansage. Sarua. Throw. How do they have clothes in the wild? That's what I don't get. Drillbur. Purloin. And a really ugly Pokemon. I'm not even gonna put that. I'll just put it in the pile.
my gosh, where is it?